Jordan 1, SB Dunks, it is all the same. Off-whites, quick strikes, winning never came. Opening wrecks my day, opening wrecks my day, opening wrecks my day. How long do I have to wait?
Currently at the secret sneaker store, as you can still see here. Yo, what is up, fam bam. So today we're actually filming my little music video, also a music video for West Styles, so it's gonna be sick. We're out here at the secret sneaker store out in Melbourne Central, so shout out to all the guys at secret sneaker store and also to Edwin. So we're out here at this really cool spot and I can't actually wait to get started with this music video. And this is how I look with makeup, guys. This is the first time I've actually put makeup on and I feel weird. I don't know, how's it look? Do I look pretty? Do I look BTS? In the stars tonight. Also, this is Princess Anne. Hi. So she's.
It's not the title.
It's her real name. So she's helping us with the whole background of things as well. And
I don't even know why I'm here.
but she's actually gonna be helping us with all the other stuff, including with our makeup for me and West Style. So it's gonna be. It's gonna be really interesting.
I have my own makeup. Do you wanna try?
There's also Jacob, cameraman, dope cameraman of life. There's Jolene as well. She's down there helping us out. Beautiful store. I've been here so many times already, trying to look for Edwin. I've actually never seen Edwin at this store, even though, yeah, I always come here to look for Edwin. But yeah, they got a multitude of actual, streetwear sneakers, as you can see here. It's a sneaker wall, really cool. And what I like about it is they have a really good range of Fear of God stuff. So Jerry Lorenzo and all these and his brand, they always got a really nice collection of them there. I'm always really tempted to get one, but your boy's broke, so you can never afford them. And they're all unless they're retail and kind of stuff. But when it comes to resale, because you can only some of the stuff that are really cool stuff you can only get for resale, and it's a little bit expensive for me, so it's hard to get. But man, I'm so tempted to pull the trigger on these really cool knit Fear of God hoodies, man. So dope. I'm glad to be here. I'm starving. And I'm here with the rest of the crew here. It's the West Styles. We're just actually eating. And this Pan?
Hi.
What's up, Pan? Say hi to the vlog.
She's the muse.
I know. So we're complete now in terms of our crew for today. Right. Even so many people bailed out on us. Screw you guys. Nah, it's alright. People are allowed to be busy. People are allowed to have their lives, so it's okay. Okay, we're really excited to actually get this started. So we're just getting a little bit of energy in us by eating, and then we're gonna get going. Yeah. So we have set up the lighting, as you can see, around the store. So we got the LED lights there. Got some LED lights there. It's weird. It's currently 7:30. All the shops are closed, but people still want to come in to the store because we're in it.
Lower down.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Ooh.
Dang.
The different color.
Yeah, so she gets a bit of light. There you go.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright. How you feeling, bro?
Not too bad, mate. This is a life. A YouTuber's. Oh, never mind.
Jordan 1, SB Dunks, it is all the same. Off-whites, quick strikes, winning never came. Opening wrecks my day, opening wrecks my day, opening wrecks my day. How long do I have to wait? Sneakers, collabs, item in cart, let's go. Next minute, cart check, that's a treat for show. Opening wrecks my day, opening wrecks my day, opening wrecks my day. Gotta stop winning this game. Dreaming about the time when I get my first win. Fortune doesn't smile on me, my chances are thin. Pray to God that He gives me this one thing. Fought so hard, everyone wants the same thing. But we killing the game. My raffles are all in vain. It been bugging my brain. How do I win?
Yo, what's up guys? So we are wrapping up with our actual shoot for KIXPLORE. He's doing his final scenes there for his music video clip. I'm done with mine and I'm pretty stoked, man. It's such a good video. Had so much fun. Want to give a shout out to Edwin and the guys from Secret Store. Shout out to Jolene for being so cool, even though she doesn't have any makeup. It's all good. Shout out to Princess as well. Thank you so much. Jacob, my boy. What's up?
Yeah, like
What's up? Thanks, KIXPLORE. Oh, still got the energy. I like that. There's Pan as well. They're not even done yet. But yeah. So currently, you can see it's like 11. So we're almost finished, guys. But yes, I'm really happy with how today turned out. So I can't wait to actually show you guys the video. So yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.